What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So right about now, people, me I tell us, Jamaica, the thing set away. The thing just grimy, so. The man them just now no art, so. Well, viewers and subscribers, now the news are come to NEWLINK about a farmer model of Saints International. You understand? Who was killed early yesterday morning, people, inside her bed. John Star. And now, people, I have some details coming behind these people, and me have to say John Star. I saw the man them heartless and wicked and cruel at Jamaica. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Attack them, the man? No, not start the attack it. Well, people, it is said that early in the morning, right, sometime after 1, this female who was at her house with her 2 children, and her age is 37 years old, people, and I can tell her she was a farmer model of Saints International back in 2003 to 2006. And it is said that, people, while in the bed with her 2 youth, them armed men, people, 2 armed men in a mask come inside at the bedroom, people, and demanded things from the female. You understand? It is said that the man them comes so boom and say 2 cell phone for your people and take the 2 phone them. In the end, people, it is said that the 2 masked man them go outside out a door and they like them have a conversation and thing. Then come back inside, people, and spray the female with bullets. Then comes a boom and fled the scene. Residents and thing here are going and also picking at the house, people, because them never do the 2 youth them nothing. Make an alarm and thing, call the police, people, them rush her, carry her to the hospital, and from there she was pronounced dead, people, because I can see her body is really small. You understand? And like some of them big thick people where me know, so maybe them could have hold on, you know what I mean? Because enough time bigger persons with bigger body people get bullets and they manage to, you know, but her body slim, people, so especially if she get this shot certain place, it easily got to her organs, the man can damage anything. Well, people, sadly, she passed away and she gone. You get me? I say, I know a lot of people are mourning the loss of this. A lot of people, even Saints International, them are reach out, people, because I know so them is like the top modeling agency in Jamaica, people, representing to the whole world. And them said this female was an outstanding model back then, people. She was great. At the time, people, them said she was a chef. You know what I mean? Her career now is a chef. She do cooking and thing. But I'm saying now, people, them say the full reason is the 2 cell phone. That's where the man them come for. You understand? So where them come for, that can't the cell phone them come for. Them come for rob. What this woman could have so where them want rob, people. Or basically something is behind this. You understand? And they need the phones them. But deep inside them come some and say, no, hey, we just finish her and done now. You get me? Something else behind it, people. But basically, them a say, yo, at the phone, the man them come for rob, them not get what they want, them take the 2 phone them, and maybe the woman comes a boom and picture one of them vice or something or know them. So, you see in the role process of this thing, and to a NEWLINK are look into this thing, people. As some look up boy, I do them something here, you know. You feel say, I know big man I do this. You feel say, some big old, as some look at you to do them thing with them pie. Zine. Go at the woman house, demanded phone. I want to check, look on the thing now, viewers and subscribers. This is the psychology what me tell us enough criminal use nowadays. Zine, then come some woman now. And when they come, they make it look like so them are come for something or them want something. Just like when the one that come down at Tamara get this and she say, him say, yo, ball out, say, yo, him want pum pum. You get me? I say, yeah man, sorry for my language. And the woman say, no. And then at the end, boom, shoot him. So that's going to be the talk, say, him, the gunman, they demand that from her. You know what I mean? And that, so now they come for something. But basically, people, them come to kill. They come to do the hit work. That's what they come to do, a hit job. Zine, them go outside, yeah man, for plan how them are going to deal with it first. You understand? Maybe them go outside, go think, so you can get rid of the 3 of them or what, how we are going to do this. You understand? When one of them say, you know, they look at you, them not do nothing, man. They will just get rid of she and done. Because they have mask on them face. You get me? I say, so if them talk, well, only the voice, you could make out which voice do sound like voice. Them take the phone them. You know what I mean? So there's something behind these people differently. You know what I mean? But basically now they must have the 2 phone because it was a robbery. Them get the phone and they still come back inside and do that. So me I say, yo, the man them a Jamaica, yo. If I saw them I go continue going and kill off the woman them. on a real level. Zine, just go on and kill for so. Every day is a different thing I go on, you know. Every day is a different thing and there's no ease to this thing. And them thing I just make NEWLINK feel sad about everything, people, because it's just sad to see when people losing their life. Even to know that this female has contributed a lot to Jamaica in the past, people, because when I see a model come to boom and touch some big stage, you know, especially in France, Italy, and them places that make them know, so look, you know, she's a Jamaican representing out of Jamaica. You know what I mean? Them thing, the rain, the flag high, make our country go out there. And for no say, yeah, that was her career in the past. Now she live her life. She have her 2 youth, them people. You get me? I say, on her page, it is stated that she's married because she got 2 last name. You know what I mean? Basically, her last name from her birth and she got a marriage last name as well. You know what I mean? But I don't know the fullest behind that, people, about her marriage at the time, how her marriage go, if everything good with her marriage, if everything alright with her marriage or everything like that. But it's just really sad to know what, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Them man are cruel. Many even say, man, me are telling a boy you do it. Zine, the boy them who get the pie and them ready and them easy to squeeze people and them come, that's what they're gonna do. And it's just crazy. My Joe, John no star, how much female so? Just check the ratio of the thing I come down, people. How much female? How much female so? John no. Yo, Jamaica government, you need to step it up, man. The crime I get out of hand, you know. It a get out of hand. And we know to hear the thing them a solve, but the thing them not solve now. When last we have, instead of the thing them a solve, people, we use a case of bus. And that a go on, you know. No joke thing. We use a case of bus. John no star. How much more? Who is next? Who they on the line? Who they on the table? Who them a plan up to go for next? He said that we people life that's a dash us up. People life that's a slap out so. In front of 2 youth them. Just imagine how those youth must traumatize. Just imagine the feelings to know that their mother was killed inside the bed where 3 of them was. In the same room. The blood stain is there. The bullets rang out. It beat out. When the police come, when everybody come. And that's how they deal with this thing, people. And fled and gone. But in the end, you know, you see Uno boy, a straight attack for Uno. No joke with the attack. Because Uno do these things on the field, so everything I go good for the hand. But in no time I go come. And it's the attack when NEWLINK are beating with. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. No ease with the attack. Because these are heartless. These are crueltiness. These are wickedness. And Jamaica, all we are doing now. Every day I pray for your change, I pray for your better. But where they? I can't see it. Can you see it? I not see it. Can you see it? I not see it. But you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all the family and friends of this former model. And may our soul rest in peace and to our kids them. You understand? Peace, love and respect. And if anybody who do know this family, you understand, and want to contact NEWLINK, you can contact me and we try to seek some assistance or some help for these kids. Because I know the thing of people. I know it, they must need some help. I know it in the times like now. You know what I mean? Anybody who can reach out. Peace. And remember to do subscribe and hit the bell notification. But so as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook, NEWLINK Production and Twitter. Peace out and respect. Be good, be great and be safe.